Hello, please. Right now I am at Tosali. The property is superb, awesome. Please, once you people visit, you really love it. And the hospitality is too good, too good. The people are very, 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 what to say, superb. No words I have right now. And the food is awesome. The taste is very good, just like home.
Hello, myself Himanshu Parekh from Calcutta. I'm in Tosali Sands Resort, and I had a very great experience and a very good ambience here. So I am with my family. I suggest everyone to please visit once Tosali Sands. Thank you.